5 best YouTube channels I followed as a beginner. So can you. These 5 channels, believe me or not, are going to help you to improve your English a lot. The first one is Easy English. This channel offers you a small conversation or daily life conversations. And to improve your English, daily life conversations are very important. And second, POC English. That means piece of cake English. I really love this man. The way he teaches, the way he shares everything. I'm sure you're also going to love him. And third, Elena Rise Live. This is an Indian channel. Elena talks about all the tips and tricks of speaking. So definitely these will help you a lot. And number 4, learn English with TV series. What if you can learn English with your favorite movie clip or series clip? Yes, this channel does the same thing. So you can learn from movies or series actually. And the last one is English speaking success. Keith. I love this man. Once I used to follow or recap Keith and try to become like him. So he's so amazing, though he mainly talks about speaking part of IELTS, but for general speaking improvement, you can also follow him. So these were the 5 YouTube channels I followed as a beginner, and you can follow. By the way, wanna learn English with me? Join one of our online courses. Call at this number or inbox on our page.